Hello friends, welcome to Jasomania Vlogs. I hope you all are doing good. If you have seen my last video about how to fill the UK provisional license online form, I will share the link of that video in the description box for you. I got a good response for that video from you guys, hence I thought of doing a video about how to prepare for the UK driving license theory test. That is the next step towards UK driving license. So friends, please watch the video till the end, and if you like it, please don't forget to like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and share it with your friends and family, and also please don't forget to press the bell icon. So friends, today I'm going to tell you about this application which helps you prepare for the UK driving license theory test. Now there are different books also available in the market for the theory test, but I prefer this app more than those books because firstly the app is cheaper than the books. This app will cost you under £3, whereas the books will cost you 10 to 15 pounds. Secondly, you don't have to go through all the non-important details in the book. This app will provide you the accurate and compact knowledge that you require to prepare for the UK driving license theory test. Third, it doesn't bore you like the book. Plus, you are always just a touch away from your preparation. That is, on the way to work or on your way to home, you can just open the app and prepare. Before going to the app, another thing that I want to suggest is that you should first book the test date and then start preparing for the test. Because what happens is that if you haven't booked your test date and start preparing, then after 4 to 5 days, if you get bored or if you haven't opened the app for a few days due to your busy schedule, then you will think that let's do the test at a later date and will keep on postponing your test date. I mean, that's what happened with me. On the contrary, if you book the test date first and then prepare, then you will have this in the back of your mind that the test date is approaching. I have to complete the study prior to that. So it's a good thing to book the test date first and then prepare. So friends, let's go on to the app now. So you can simply type DVSA on your App Store or Play Store. It's available on both the platforms. So this is the application, official DVSA theory test, that you have to download and install in your mobile. I've already done that. So let me show you the application. Here it is. So there are two options in this: theory test, hazard perception. Both you have to do. So if you know about the theory test, it will be a 1 hour test in which there will be 50 questions, out of which you have to get at least 43 correct, and there will be some hazard perception questions as well. So this is very much user friendly application which will prepare you for your theory test of UK driving license. So friends, let's see what's under this theory test option. You can see at the bottom, these are the options: study, practice, mock test, extras, and settings. There are 14 topics to be revised. These are the topics: alertness, attitude, safety and your vehicle, safety margin, hazard awareness, vulnerable road users, other type of vehicles, vehicle handling, motorway rules, rules of the road, road and traffic signs, essential documents, incident accidents and emergencies, vehicle loading. So these are the topics. You can see there are different subtopics as well. Now let's go to practice. You can practice topics, quick test and practice videos as well. So if you practice topics, you can select a single topic and then click on start. So it will give you options like all questions or to cancel, and then like this, and then you can also select multiple topics or all 14 topics. Then you can click on start. It will give you options like all questions and incorrectly answered. This option is that previously if you have answered these topics, if you have attempted these topics, then the incorrectly answered questions, you can just answer those questions only if you want, or else you can go for all questions as well. And then mock test, this is for your individual assessment, self-assessment. This will tell you how much you are prepared for your upcoming test. It will be like the one that you will be giving at the test center, so it will prepare you more for the test, theory test that you are going to attempt at the test center. Then extras, there are find a driving test center. It will take you to the DUSA website, official website. Then more about your theory test. This will give you the insight about that. Then after your theory test, what you have to do, like the pass plus scheme and everything, you will get all the details. And then the next option is the official highway code. This is most important thing, because once you get your driving license, these are the codes that you will use to get on the highway, so it will be useful. Then you will be able to identify those codes. Then useful links, these are some of the useful links that you should be aware of. Then more to DVSA products, these are the books that are available in the market as well as online. And then how to use this app, this is actually a tutorial that how to use this app. And then share this application with your friends and family. I also share this video with your friends and family members so that it can help them. Then this is, here you can put your test date, and it is also for self-assessment that how much you are prepared for your upcoming test. So guys, I think you liked the video, you enjoyed the video. If you did, this is very much user friendly, I think. So if you did like the video, please do like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed it yet to the channel. Please do subscribe to the channel and share to your family, friends, or your WhatsApp groups, so that it can reach out to more people. And please also don't forget to press the bell icon. So guys, thank you for staying tuned to Chesomania Vlogs.